Hello viewers, this is the first time I've ever done a video. So, my name is Olivia, and this is In the Kitchen with Olivia. So, the first recipe I'm ever going to make is corn stew. You know, this isn't the first time I've ever made corn stew, but I don't want to get off subject. So, anyway, first, the ingredients you'll need are 2 sticks of corn and some sweet corn. See, when I'm corn and ingredients. Okay, so first, what you're supposed to do is add the 2 sticks of corn. Stir it around. Okay, and then. If you are into the sweet kind of corn, add a can of sweet corn. That smells delicious. Take a zoom in on the pot. Does that smell delicious? Well, you can't smell, but it smells delicious. So, now, you wait for corn to bake. It only takes about like half a minute. It doesn't take that long. So, let me just say, if I put this in the sun, can you see through it? Will you see through it?
No!
Okay. That was creepy. Anyway. Ooh, steam. Whew. I'm exhausted. Okay. Now. And this will give you one of the vegetables of your day. And it'll be tasty. Now, let's pour it into the serving silverware. I can't believe I didn't even have a bowl and I said proper. Now look at this. Yeah. Doesn't that look delicious? Let's stir it up. Let's see how it tastes. Let's see if it passed the taste test. Oh, let's see. Come on. Let me just. It's yummy! You can't believe how tasty this is. Well, I'm getting off subject. Am I? Thanks for watching, viewers. Bye!